Now after complete check the member, check load, check the rigidity, material and section. Click on the design, click on the setting, change from the first order analysis to the second order analysis. Click on OK, analysis and design together. Yeah, this is the analysis and design result. After we running a while, yeah, you can check for the trees. The wind tree is okay and overall tree is okay. After you complete run analysis and design, don't forget to check the serviceability limit state. It is very important for the tallest column. Yeah, this 8 meter. So the tree also is a part of issue. So the structure is okay for the service check for the tree, and we will check more for the ultimate limit state. You see here the warning what is wrong with this section, because the torsion in the section. You can click and check static. Beyond scope because the torsion, but normally we add torsional restraint, yeah, to prevent this bending, to prevent this member. Don't worry. Check on the ratio. This is the ratio. Take the mouse over this column. It working 0.94, yeah, 95, 0.81. It's okay for the design ratio. And for the raster, yeah, it's okay for this ratio. For the holes, the Tekla Structural Designer does not calculate and design hole, so we design it in the part of steel connection, and for a page is the same. Now come back to analysis. Click on the result view. And change to the envelope. Design, check the AISC for. To display the magnitude of force, click on force and can scroll down and check the compression force is 270.8. The compression force in Tekla Structural Designer is a positive sign, and the tension force is minus sign or negative sign. Okay, you can check for the envelope force. And change from the AISC force to the moment measure axis. Yeah, 255 the maximum moment measure axis. Moment measure axis. And change it to check the shear measure axis. Yeah, it's the same. And you can check for the reaction. Click on the 1D and click on the reaction. Yeah, this is the reaction at the base of the columns. And take it. Click on deflection. Okay. This is the deflection shape of the structure. Yeah. Select the combination, big combination you want to show, and again right click, animate. deflection. Click on deflection to show the magnitude of the deformation. Check the moment measure axis and change it to the envelope and use the strength, so force. Click on one raster, right click, open load analysis. So the ratios, okay, turn it on, and the distance you can check any distance on this raster, or you can tie it. I want to check at 1000. Yeah, the 1000. The moment is minus 201.2 and shear is 120. It is how you can input the distance in distance, or you can grow it, yeah, to anywhere you want to check to show the shear, show the moments, deflection, dimension, and show the extreme view. 67.6 kilonewton shear force and minus 255.2. The moments can change for the actual force and for the minor axis, and can check for the circuit moments and actual for at the circuit. Now we want to focus about the strength or ultimate limit state. 3D again, and for the column we can do the same, and you click on this tab, come back to the analysis or the raster, click on 3D, come back to the 3D view, click on the result, yeah, click on the tabular data and design summary, click on design summary for steel and for the beam. Yeah, this is the design summary for the beam. Ultimate is 0.93. It's just warning, don't worry. And beyond scope we call the torsion at the cable raster, don't worry. And for the column, yeah, check for the column. You can click on the utilization, click again the maximum, check on the result, click on the result, and expand all to check pretty detail. Collapse all. Yeah, how you can check about the column, steel beam, and press. I change it to the press. You the same. For the press you can optimize. You see here the utilization ratio is 0.2. You can optimize the section of the press again and again and run analysis and design to check for the main frame, column, and raster. And don't forget check the serviceability, sway, trees in interstory tree and overall tree of the column. It is very important when you update the pressing system, will be affect on the main frame. I hope you will be remember about this point. And static, yeah, we have only static, no seismic analysis. And design summary, you can check the trees. Yeah, this is the design summary for the tree. The ratio is okay. You can check for more detail. Yeah. Yes. because we run the second order analysis. It's okay now. And you can check for the windtrees. Windtree also okay. You can check more detail for the windtrees. And for the material, you check on the steel. Again, check on the concrete. And check on the steel again. No. Come back, we want to check the material. Yeah, this is the material for beam. The mass is 30 tons. And check for the column. The mass is 8 tons. Okay, you can check it. And for the press, the mass is 4 tons. And floor area 419 square meter. And this is for the carbon mass. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.